Alrighty, so we got the last of our parts that we were waiting on. So we're back here at this deck. This deck is one that we did the designs for. The design alterations specifically. This whole section here had to be added, so we had to go back and we had to revise the drawings for the whole deck. This is a railing company that we came across. And they do all sorts of cable infill, glass infill. On the drawings that we altered, we made this longer. That portion of the deck over there was already framed and engineered by the designer of the house. So we made alterations for the plans from here going that way. Again, I'm not an engineer, but I do have a 2-year degree in technical design. That being said, my degree wasn't based fully on any kind of residential designing. It actually was geared more towards mechanical stuff. Parts, screws, things like that. But when I was in school learning that, I focused it more towards architectural. So that's where I taught myself how to read blueprints and everything. But this is what we're working on. Here's a finished section. I'm going to take this off though, because this is just a little bit rough. So I brought a file with me today. So we're going to unscrew this piece and I'm going to file that down and I'm going to hit it with some touch-up paint so it looks cleaner. And then we need to install a handrail on that set of stairs. And then we need to finish the rail and fascia and a couple other little pieces on this set of stairs and then a handrail. Everything else is tensioned up, cut off. So these are all ready to go. You can see where they turn the corner here. And that's the finish right there. It comes with little finish caps. So once you nub your cables off, then it comes with these little stainless steel finish caps and they just pop right on there. And I've actually seen other rail companies with these same parts, so it must be a common part. This section done, this section done. I didn't like the way things were terminating, so we chose not to bump this. And we made sure that these gaps right here are less, 3 3/4 or less. That's as far as we go. And then the last thing that we need to do is put these base plates on. They had sent us the wrong ones because I guess there's 2 styles. And they had sent us half of the right ones and then the other half was not the right ones. So this is one of the right ones. It's on there. It's screwed on. But the other ones wouldn't fit. So we had to get that replaced. And then that's pretty much it. It's just touch up. It's just touch up. That's all we got to do. And probably try to come out here tomorrow with the hose and get a good cleaning and get some really good pictures. Again, this is one that we're proud of because normally, because we're working a lot for other contractors, so we're not usually getting to use our design skills and things like that. So this particular deck is cool for that specific reason. Then we got some cedar. We're gonna do 2x4 cedar. I'm gonna do like a chamfered edge on there, 45 chamfered edge, and then we're gonna use that to wrap these base. Trex and other composite decking companies, they recommend a gap between objects, so like right here for expansion and contraction. So we had to do something to hide that, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wrap these with cedar and it'll look nice anyways. So, and then that's what's going on up there, right? So that's where we're at. That's what we're gonna do. And Big Bad Builder lifestyle, we're gonna make it happen.